Welcome to Studio House Design, where small spaces meet big heart and timeless style. Today we are diving into warm coastal elegance for tiny rooms, blending soft neutrals, seagrass textures, and gentle blues. Expect practical tips, layered textures, and season-friendly styling that feels calm, inviting, and beautifully lived in, crafted just for you. A tiny living room breathes easy with sandy walls, a seagrass rug, and soft blue ticking pillows. Light drifts through linen curtains, pooling on weathered wood and brass glints. It feels collected, never cluttered. Vintage books, a jadeite bowl, driftwood textures. Calm, charming, and quietly coastal, it invites unhurried conversation. This small reading nook whispers coastal comfort. An ivory slip-covered chair, chambray cushion, and a humble wicker basket beside a seagrass ottoman. A brass lamp pools glow over nautical maps and poetry. Linen shears soften the edges. Every texture feels intentional, gentle, breathable, and timeless, like beach air in fabric form. A narrow galley kitchen keeps things bright and simple. Creamy shaker cabinets, beadboard backsplash, jadeite on open shelves, and rattan pendants over marble-look counters. Copper and cutting boards add patina without fuss. Blue stripes on a runner guide the path. Everything useful, everything beautiful, calm, coastal, and quietly seasoned. The dining nook curves into sunlight, a whitewashed pedestal table holding shells in a hurricane glass, linen napkins tied simply. Slip-covered chairs graze a jute rug. Woven shade light feels like afternoon by the water. It is gentle, not precious. A little nostalgic, a lot serene, forever easy. A petite pantry glows with order, labeled jars, rattan trays, and baskets tucked on beadboard shelves. Pale blue bowls anchor the palette. The step stool is driftwood worn, the hooks brass soft. Nothing extra, nothing missing. It feels calm in the way only neat, breathable storage can simple, coastal, quietly satisfying. A small sunroom wraps you in light. Wicker love seat, ivory cushions, seagrass beneath, and a glass float glinting softly. Linen shades filter everything to a whisper. Hydrangeas rest in a handled basket. It is a place for morning tea, unhurried thoughts, and the kind of quiet that lingers. An entry corner keeps its promise. Beadboard wainscoting, brass pegs, a woven basket, and a striped runner guiding home. A driftwood mirror catches gentle afternoon light. Postcard watercolors add a smile. It is humble and tidy, soft blues and creams setting the mood, ease, grace, and a coastal welcome. A compact bedroom layers comfort. White headboard, blue and ivory quilt, linen sheets breathing softly. A sandy glazed lamp pools warm glow on a rattan nightstand. Hydrangeas nod in a jar. The palette feels low-tide in morning mist, soft, forgiving, and quietly elegant. Sleep collects here like seashells. A tiny dressing corner stretches the light. Scallop tray, glass vases like sea glass, and a rattan-framed mirror above a vintage dresser. Seagrass underfoot, a soft stripe at the window. Brass pulls warm the scene. It is gentle and grounded, tidy but never fussy. Everyday grace with coastal clarity. The laundry alcove is calm competence. Creamy cabinet fronts, beadboard shine, glass jars with wooden scoops. A striped runner adds cheer beneath linen shades. Hampers woven, hooks weathered. It smells like sun and soap, looks like order and ease. Small space, big relief, simple chores feel lighter here. A tucked-away study nook values quiet. A white desk against beadboard, wicker cushion, and a linen pinboard dotted with coastal postcards. A rattan lamp pools amber light over vintage books. The palette whispers mussel shell and dune grass. Work feels gentler. Thoughts settle like sand after tide. This petite guest room glows softly. A white coverlet with scalloped edges, a blue floral throw, and beadboard framing the headboard. A wicker trunk adds texture. Watercolor shores hang easy. Afternoon light floats through linen drapes. It feels thoughtful, welcoming, and gracefully coastal. Polite comfort with a hint of breeze. A slim breakfast corner keeps joy small and bright. White bistro table, rattan chairs, and heirloom plates above beadboard. A striped runner ties soft blues to sandy tones. Sun flutters through cafe curtains. Mornings here feel simple and tender, like warm toast with jam and a hopeful list. The rear patio stays quiet and kind. White railings, a weathered teak bench with coastal stripes, and rattan lanterns ready for dusk. Hydrangeas bloom in sandy planters. A seagrass rug softens footsteps. It is honesty outdoors, nothing ornate, everything gracious, where evenings stretch and sea air edits every worry. Thanks for spending time with Studio House Design. We explored tiny space coastal warmth with breathable fabrics, seagrass grounding, soft blues, and collected vintage touches for effortless elegance. If this inspired your next refresh, please like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your favorite detail. Your ideas shape our next cozy transformation.